Assalamualaikum doctors. In this video I am discussing about celiac disease communications. It actually come like diabetes mellitus and with celiac. Explain the biopsy result to the parent. Okay. So remember, follow up with the dietitian, GP, general pediatrician and gastroenterologist. We will involve there. As usual, we are starting with IRCAP. I'm really sorry to tell you that the test result run for Ali came back positive for a case called celiac disease. Then give him a pause to speak because it's a breaking bad news. So have you heard about it before? No? What is that? It is a disease that affecting his gut. Can you please follow me at this drawing to make myself clear? Okay. So when Ali eats protein called gluten, which present mainly in the wheat and barley, okay, it stimulates the defense system. Normally our defense system acts as a soldier against the germs and bugs. But in this celiac disease, after being stimulated by this protein, it will attack the gut itself, leads to destruction of its inner layer. So Ali cannot be able to absorb the nutritive elements of the food and he will have diarrhea. So first we will explain the normal, then the abnormal. Normal is that when we take the food by orally, by food tube, you go to the gut and it digests and it absorbs. We get the nutrition from this food. It is distributed well in our body. But what happened in celiac disease in Ali's conditions when he takes certain food like gluten containing protein, like example wheat and barley, it go then our defense system it activate, and this defense system stimulated it attack the layer of the gut. There are some projection of the gut present that we call villi. They attack the gut and these villi destroyed. For that reasons, what happened? The food we have taken, this nutrition is not distributed in our body, and that's why we are failing to gain weight and these loose motions. These are the develop. Okay. So OMG doctor, is there any other treatment for this? Unfortunately, there is no medical treatment, but the best treatment is preventions. Do you agree with me? What do you mean? By preventing Ali from eating this protein while giving a chance for the inner layer to the gut to build up itself again, and this diarrhea will be stopped and Ali will be able to absorb the nutrients from the food. So the treatment is the avoiding this gluten containing food, then the inner layer of the gut will be it heal with itself. So, okay doctor, for how long he will stop eating this protein? Unfortunately, it is for lifelong. Say it with a sad voice. So mother is OMG doctor, do you imagine what will be happen to the baby? How can he eat cakes and sandwiches? I'm really understand how do you feel, and I can understand it is really difficult, but now in this era we have many products gluten free and almost same taste as normal food. For that we will have a meeting with the diet doctor who will teach you exactly what should he eat and what should avoid. And I can reassure you there are a lot of alternatives, good rye, oats and barley replaced by corn flour, rice, potato, lentil soups and pure maize. Are you with me? So this in this era there are lots of available, we will tell that. Okay doctor, also I think it is difficult to do these foods at home. Getting it from outside is so expensive for me. Okay, we'll discuss it with the social service to get a solve without any burden on your economic status. Okay, also we will need to check him up every year at least to make sure that he is sticking to his diet, to measure his weight and height. And am I making myself clear? Also in some children, not all children, they may have increased risk of some disease caused by the defense systems. Ali's body has like diabetes and thyroid affections, okay, pointing to your neck. For that we need to measure his blood sugar and to test for thyroid function test every now and then every year. Okay, am I clear? Clear doctor, is it running in the gene? Actually it is not running in genes but tend to be clustered in families, and that is why we need to check his brothers and sisters. Then trusted website, written leaflet, support group, diet doctor meeting, these are. So this is all about celiac disease communication. Thank you.